welcome. You've tuned into the morning show on CNN News 18. I'm Koina Sharma and I'll take you through all the top news that will continue to dominate the headlines today. But first up, a breaking piece of input from the national capital. Well, the current water level at Old Delhi Yamuna Bridge has reached the mark of 208.46 meters. While Yamuna in Mathura is also overflowing above the highest flood level. And at Shergarh, the level has reached 176.57 meters. I'll repeat it for my viewers. Current water level at Old Delhi Yamuna Bridge has reached the 208.46 meters mark, and Yamuna in Mathura is also overflowing above the highest flood level. At Shergarh, the level is 176.57 meters. Well, joining me on the broadcast is Akash, my colleague. Akash, please take us through what is happening on the ground at the moment.
So Kohina, I'm standing on a bus stop, and this is a famous bus stop of ITO, and these are the visuals you see. This bus stop is covered with water from all sides, in fact submerged in water. If I can ask my camera person Sumit Jaguri to show you the visuals, this is famous spot of ITO in front of PWD headquarters, in fact in front of the old police headquarters in the national capital. In general days we used to see a lot of traffic jam in this particular place, but today this whole area is submerged in water, and condition is such that you can see that in fact these vehicles are trying to come in line, in fact trying to pass the road, but it is very difficult for them. You see, water is till my knees on this particular place. In fact, you know, if I'll try to go down to this particular area, there you see, it is till my knees. This is the VVIP area of Delhi, central Delhi, which we call the heart of the national capital, ITO. Generally, traffic passes from here. In fact, those who are coming from Noida, those who are coming from the other parts of western Uttar Pradesh, generally, pass this particular area. But this is the condition here. In fact, there I can, if I can show you the seat. One seat is fully submerged in water. In fact, this level is constantly rising now. People are advocating that this is not Yamuna water, but the fact is that yes, even when it is not Yamuna water, it is the drain water, then too it is creating a lot of problems for people here in Delhi. On the other side of the road, we have similar conditions where, in fact, this particular road joins the ring road with the central Delhi, and this is the condition where, in fact, all those who are coming from Noida are facing difficulties, all those who are coming from Lakshmi Nagar are facing similar difficulties, and these are the situations, these are the visuals, in fact, dramatic visuals. There you see a cycle wala trying to pass the particular road in the mid of the road, and there you see he is actually facing a lot of difficulties. On the other hand, we have, another bus stop there, and people are not, in fact, standing there because they know that there is a danger associated with the increasing water level. This is the condition, in fact, in the entire Delhi, where we have areas submerged in water. Water level is constantly increasing. In fact, in these areas, in fact, it is increasing. But yes, while it is about a level in Yamuna, so water has going down. But even after that, we are seeing, in fact, facing a lot of difficulties in central Delhi and in areas related to, in fact, adjacent to River Yamuna.
All right.